In this video, I'm going to show you how to search in Splunk. So whether you're troubleshooting errors, monitoring system logs, or analyzing data trends, knowing how to search efficiently is the key to getting the most of a Splunk. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Splunk and already log in with your username and password. Now, let's understand the search bar. So the search bar is where you enter Splunk processing language or the SPL queries to filter and analyze data. You can search by keywords, fields, or time ranges to refine results. And now, to run a basic search, click on the search bar on the left side and start to enter a keyword to find errors. Like, for example, find errors in logs. You can copy and queries you can search from a Google. And now, just simply click enter or the search. And as you can see in here, it will filter the results of what you are looking for. So you can use a Boolean operator to refine searches like and or not. And then you can also apply time filters. By default, Splunk searches the last 24 hours of data. You can click the time range picker to change the time range. And you can also specify time in your search query. And also, you can also sort and visualize data, and that's it. And that's how you search Splunk. So mastering search queries can help you quickly analyze logs, troubleshoot issues, and gain insights from your data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.